Today, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own rock candy. To do this activity, you will need a wooden skewer or a clean wooden chopstick works just as well, a clothespin, 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, food coloring, and a tall, narrow glass jar. Okay, so what to do? First off, you want to begin by pouring the cup of water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Once your pan of water is boiling, turn it down slightly and then pour about 1/4 cup of the sugar into the boiling water. And when you do this, make sure you are stirring the sugar constantly until it dissolves. After your first 1/4 cup of sugar has completely dissolved in the water, gradually keep adding more and more sugar, each time stirring it until it dissolves. This step is extremely important, and once you have added all of your sugar, it should form a thick, syrupy substance, and once it has come to this consistency, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for at least 20 minutes. While the sugar solution is cooling, you can dip half of the skewer into the sugar solution and then roll it in some loose sugar. This will just help jumpstart the crystal growth and help prepare your stick. So the next part of this activity is going to be dealing with the hot boiling water. So it's probably a safe choice to have an adult help you with this part. They are going to pour the sugar solution into the jar almost to the top. Once you have done this, submerge the skewer into the glass, making sure that it is hanging straight down the middle and it is not touching the bottom or the sides. This picture here shows a perfect example of what it should look like. And then you put the clothespin over the top of the stick to hold it in place. So after you have done this, here you can also add your food coloring at this point. If you don't want food coloring, you do not have to add it, but if you want food coloring, now is when you add your different colors to the jars, as many as you would like. Allow the jar to fully cool and then place it somewhere where it will not be disturbed. Now you're just going to wait and the sugar crystals will start to grow over the next 3 to 7 days. I want you guys to have a notebook where you keep observations during this time. Write down what you notice, what you see going on, how big the crystals are getting, how long your crystals are getting, compare it to the different ones growing in each jar. Are some growing faster than the others? Just write down anything you notice, and then once you have completed your activity, I want you to bring your observation notebook in next week, and we are going to brainstorm some ideas about why you think this works. What makes these sugar crystals grow? So brainstorm some ideas, write them down in your notebook, bring them to class, and then we're going to have a discussion about it together. All right, thank you for watching and good luck with your experiment.